Has your car key fob stopped working? Let's fix it. Hi guys, it's Baz and thank you for watching another driving lesson tips video. And today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your key fob. Now they can actually stop working. The battery just dies down after a while, so it's always a good idea to have some handy. For them you need these batteries here, okay? These I got off Amazon. The link is in the description down below. These are the CR2032 batteries. They're actually pretty cheap to buy. You get 6 in a pack and these should last such a long time. So you'll also need a little flathead screwdriver like so, and let's get that done. So first of all, in this mini, you've got to take that little key out, press that little button on the edge. The key will come out. Then, using your flathead screwdriver, carefully push it into that little slot there. You'll be really careful here, actually. It can be a bit fiddly. And then you'll feel it clip in a second. You can actually prise up. There it is. Other side. There it is. Done. Actually, let's get the back end done a bit more. And there it is. Okay. Take that off. That little section there also comes away. Quite easy to come out. Just pull it out like so. And there's our battery. Okay, so you can just prise that little battery out. Easy as that. Done. Let's get the new battery. Okay, so we're going to undo that top one. I've already had one go. And you pop it in. It's the positive side upwards. You can just see it says positive there. Okay, or the writing goes on the top side. Okay, it's no writing on the other side. Only goes in one way. That way, clips it in. Then we're going to carefully pop this back on. Now, I've got to make sure that's in. I think that looks good. If you're not sure, just test that key in it again to make sure the key goes all the way in. Like so. Yep, that's clipped in firmly. That's fine. Okay, so we can take that back out again and then replace the top again. So the top goes in. You'll feel it clip. There it is. And that's done. That's flush. And the final thing, pop the key back in again. And now let's go and test it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment. And as always, like and subscribe. And don't forget to watch the next videos. Thank you.